guys, welcome to today's video and welcome on into my beauty stash. Oden's Eye is at it again with another Christmas collection. They are launching 2 palettes on November the 10th, and I am going to be doing 2 dedicated 3 looks over each one of these palettes as per usual here on my channel. If you guys have been watching me for a while, you know that every time Oden's Eye drops double palettes, I do dedicated videos on each palette, 3 looks each palette. Today we're going to be working with the Snow Dream palette. Let me give you a closer look at this beautiful 16 pan color story that is full of matte and shimmer shadows. I am really drawn to this color story. I wore red on purpose because we have a little bit of red in there, but then we have some green, a little bit of yellow. This just looks so good. I want to also give you a peek at the other palette. This one is the Hey Reindeer palette. And of course, again, I will have a dedicated video. My video will go up 24 hours after you watch this video, so be on the lookout for that. And I'll include swatches of this palette in that video and everything. I also want to mention that there's going to be a very special announcement in tomorrow's video, so you're definitely going to want to stay tuned because I think you all are going to love what I have in store. Also making its much anticipated hopeful return. A lot of you out there were praying that Oden's Eye would bring back their Christmas Eve and Merry Christmas palettes, and yes, they will be restocked. Like I said, you want to stay tuned for tomorrow's video because I'm going to have a very special announcement about this Christmas Eve palette and then about this Merry Christmas palette. I will have my Oden's Eye playlist linked in a pinned comment so you guys can go check out all of the videos, tutorials, reviews that I've done over the years on Oden's Eye. And I have a very new affiliate discount code with Oden's Eye, and it is Steff, and that will give you 10% off of your order. Once again, all of these palettes are going to retail for $43.90 each, and they do drop on November the 10th. I don't know an exact time, so when I can find it out, I will have it in the description box. If it is your first time here on my channel, I just want to say hello and welcome to all of you. My name is Steff, and I love trying out new makeup. I am primarily a new makeup review channel, but I do multiple looks with eyeshadow palettes, makeup ranking videos, get ready with me style videos. If that sounds great to you, if you are ready to get into the holiday spirit, because I know I am, I want to invite you to become part of our makeup family. Do me a favor, click on that subscribe button, hit the bell next to it. That way you can be notified every time I do drop a new video. And if you're a fan of Oden's Eye, if you are anxiously awaiting the return of Merry Christmas, Christmas Eve, and these new palettes, please give this video a big thumbs up before you go. As usual, I will have everything that I'm wearing linked and listed in the description box, and some of those links might be affiliate links, so if you do end up shopping through them, I thank you so much for supporting me and my channel. I am so excited. I'm so excited about this video. We are going to get started with the Snow Dream palette. One more thing I forgot to tell you, each palette comes with a little scarf. Oden's Eye always does a little something extra whenever they do these collections. If you guys want to see the 3 looks I'm about to create, keep on watching. All right, now I've already primed my eyelids with the Sugar Drizzle eyeshadow primer, and I do have an affiliate code over at Sugar Drizzle, and it is Steff10, and that will give you 10% off of your order. So let's dive into the Snow Dream palette. Look at this cover art. So cute. As per usual, Oden's Eye always does such cute artwork on their palettes. I'm going to save the red for the 3rd look. And I think for this look, what I want to do is start with this beautiful yellow. I'm going to put that in the inner corner. This one is called Garland. It's a little hard to see some of the shade names down here just because some of the pictures and stuff, the border, but yeah, the shade right here is going to be called Garland. We'll put that in the inner corner, and then I don't know, maybe play with the green or something next. And I'm taking Garland on my Game Beauty E01. I'm just going to kind of bring this up towards the brow bone a little bit. Now on a Refer 14, I'm going to go into the green shade called Ornament. Focus that out here. This is a beautiful green shadow, and I love it paired with this pale yellow. It's like a yellow gold shade. I love it. Now I'm going to add a little bit of this green shadow. This one is called Mary, and I'm going to put that right here in the center. And then I think for the inner corner, I might go in maybe with this one or maybe this one. Yeah, I think Hugs will be for the inner corner, but let's start with Mary right here in the center of the lid. Using my damp Morphe M709. Very pretty. Really, really pretty shadow. Now for the lower lash line, I think I'm going to go into this brown shade right here. This one is called Feast, and I'm going to take that on my BH Cosmetics pencil brush. Just run it right below. Now with that same brush, I'm going to go in with Feast, and I am going to spray the brush. That right here. Okay, guys, very quick and easy look to create. I am gonna go probably add some falsies. This is the third eye look that I'm filming today, so yeah, this mascara has taken a bit of a beating. So I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna add some eyeliner. Ooh, I love that. And I'll be right back to show you the completed look number one. Okay guys, so here is the completed look number one. Wet n Wild Breakup Proof Liquid Liner on the top lash line. I'm using the latest mascara from KVD. This is their Tubing Mascara Full Sleeve Mascara. That's the official name of it. In the lower waterline, I went in with an e.l.f. No Budge Shadow Stick. This one is in the shade Vintage Suede. And the lashes, where is the box for these lashes? I've been loving these lashes. These are Kiss the Muses lashes in the style Noblesse. I love the way this look turned out. Very quick and easy look. I can see this being a very work appropriate look, or if you don't like to create deep, dark, dramatic looks, this was very simple. It's just the perfect amount of color, I think, and very fall vibes with the yellow and the green. I love it. Let's move over to the left eye and we'll start working on look number two. Okay, so for look number two, I think I want to put this like mint green shade in the inner corner, and then maybe come down here to this like rusty shade. This shade looks so pretty. I think these three would make a really nice color combination. So I'm going to start first with this one. This one is called Snowflake. Going back with my Game Beauty E01. And we're just going to apply that right in here. I'm going to do the same thing that I did with that yellow and kind of just bring this shade up a little bit towards the brow bone. Now, I can't really see the shade name on this one. That border is kind of blocking it. So it's just this rusty shade down here. And I'm going to use that Rephr 14 that I used earlier. So these are going to be two beautiful shades together, like a mint and a rust shade. So think mint chocolate chip almost. Just adding a little bit of that mint green back. This could very easily be an all matte look, but we got a lot of shimmers in here that we need to try out. But just know that you could leave this alone and maybe just do something shimmer in the inner corner. All right, now I'm going to go in with this beautiful shade here. This one is called Frankincense. Now this is going to be a textured shimmer shadow. I'm taking this on a damp Morphe M709. I'm going to focus that like towards the center and a little towards the inner corner, but I'm going to do something else, I think, for the inner corner. We'll see. Add a little bit more of the brown. Now I think I want to do the green that I used over here. I want to do this for the lower lash line. Taking that green on a Rephr 26. Now on a damp Rephr 03, I'm going to go in with this shade right here called Sweater. Okay guys, Ooh, I like that. I'm gonna go take care of the finishing touches off camera, and I will be right back to show you this completed look number 2. All right, guys, so here's the completed look number 2. Same everything with the exception of the lower waterline. I went in with this NYX Epic Wear Smoky eyeliner in the shade Sage Sparks. I love it. Mint chocolate chip. Doesn't it just make you want mint chocolate chip ice cream cone and all of that? I love it. Two fun, easy looks to create with this Snow Dream palette. I'm gonna go take some quick pictures and then I'll be back. I'll probably remove this look and then we'll start creating the third and final look. Okay, so for this third and final look, I really want to do something with the red and then also with the purple. So I think what I'm going to do first is I'm going to go in with this shade right here, and then I think I'm going to work, no, I think I'm going to use these two shades for the mattes. And then if I need to deepen it up, I'll go in with this one. But let's start first with this shade. The shade is called Boots. And I'm taking Boots on my Game Beauty E01. And I'm going to pack this in the crease. This will be a nice transition for that red shade. Red and purple, I think, are beautiful together. So I think this is going to turn out to be a nice festive look. Now on a Rephr 13, I'm going into the red shade that's called Guests. I wonder if I should do a halo eye. How would that look? We could try it. Okay, I think that looks good. This is the perfect brush for doing halo eyes with, because it's just the perfect size. Now I'm going to pick up that purple shade. It's called Celebrate, and I'm using, what brush is this? The Luxie 245, and I am going to spray it with some MAC Fix Plus. I'm going to focus that right here. Perfect. This is a textured shimmer shadow. I think that looks so pretty. Very wet look. So I've officially used all of the matte shades that are in this palette. The shimmers I have not used are this one, and this one. I'm going to try and do these two for the lower lash line. So let me go in first with this matte. Taking this shade on my Rephr 26. Just going to take it all the way through. Kind of wish there was a matte purple in this one. Now this shade is called Tradition, and I'm going to use that same Rephr 26 and I am going to spray it. I'll apply that here. Ooh, that looks so pretty. I think I need something a little bit lighter though. I'm going to pick up the shade Hugs. Put it right there. Alright guys, I'm going to take care of the finishing touches off camera. I'll be right back to show you the completed look number 3. Alright guys, so here's the completed look number 3. I love the way it turned out. Same everything with the exception of the lower waterline. A NYX Epic Wear eyeliner in the shade Orange Zest. Love it. Fun, festive. I wore red on purpose because I wanted to do something with the red and purple. Let me go ahead and wrap up today's video and I'll share with you guys my final thoughts on the Snow Dream palette from Oden's Eye. Alright guys, so 14 shadows later, I got to use 14 out of the 16 shades that are in this Snow Dream palette from Oden's Eye. I loved it. I loved working with this palette, from the beautiful artwork that's on the front. You do get a circle mirror there, to what's on the inside. I was just really drawn in by this color story. I love the green, the yellow, the red with the purple. I think it is so much fun. like I just mentioned, would have liked to have seen a purple matte in this palette, but that's okay. I was still able to create a lot of fun, easy, wearable looks with this palette. I know if you guys choose to pick up this palette, I know you're going to be able to use this pretty much year round. I like that this is kind of deep, but not really. It's more light to medium tone, but it's not very pastel. Like you can definitely create some nice looks that have a little bit of depth to them. And I think it's just an easy to wear palette. So if you are looking for something a little bit more neutral, a little bit more wearable, this might be the palette that you choose. Each palette is going to retail for $43.90, less of course a discount code. Mine is Steff that will give you 10% off of your order. I loved it. These were the only two shades. I didn't get to use those two shimmer shadows, but swatching this was very easy. Everything felt really good. I like it. I like the color story. I like that it'll come with a little scarf. Actually, I don't know if all the palettes come with a scarf. It might just be a select few. Not entirely sure, but I always like that Oden's Eye does something a little bit extra. Don't forget to come back tomorrow, same place. And I'm going to be creating 3 looks with the Hey Reindeer palette. And I'm also going to have a very special announcement on my channel. So you're definitely going to want to stay tuned. Don't forget that also the Merry Christmas and the Christmas Eve palettes from last year, the ever popular palettes that some of you were unfortunately not able to grab, those will also be restocked on November the 10th. It's going to be a busy day. There's another release happening on November the 10th. I don't remember. Oh, the Ladybug Glow. Ladybug Glow is going to have their release on November the 10th as well. A lot of stuff coming up for the holidays. I still want to get around to doing like a review or a ranking video of all the Halloween and fall palettes that I tried. I got a lot. I got a lot to do. I have a lot to keep me busy, and I have so much stuff going on behind the scenes, and I will share it with you guys as soon as I can. Let me know what you thought of this palette. Are you going to be picking them both up, or maybe you're just going to choose one? Which look out of the 3 was your favorite? Are you team 1, 2, 3, none, all? Sound off in the comments down below. I want to thank you guys so much for watching another one of my videos. Y'all have a great day or night wherever it is y'all are at. Stay hydrated, drink that water, and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye.